guys, and let's look taking my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm doing a birthday look. Today, the actual day that I'm filming this video is my birthday. So even though I'm posting this video super late, my actual birthday is on January 16th, but I will gladly take your belated birthday wishes if you haven't already wished me on other social media. I didn't really announce it anywhere except Facebook, but yeah, I announced it on Instagram too, so feel free to tell me happy birthday if you so wish. But I did do my entire look using all eyeshadows from this palette. I used a couple of others from the other two brands, but easily dupable if you don't have this palette even. But if you guys would like to see the look, keep watching. Starting off by doing my brows. If you guys would like a separate brow tutorial, just let me know, because I always kind of rush through it. I'm just using the NYX micro brow pencil in brunette. Now I'm just cleaning up the bottom. Flat brush and some concealer. Gonna apply a primer to my eyes. I'm gonna use Too Faced Shadow Insurance, just as good, not better. I'm spreading this all over the eye. I think I want to do green burgundy. Today I'm using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, as you all probably know. This one. For the crease, I'm gonna take raspberry. I'm trying to do something different than I did last time. And the brush I'm using for that is just like a tapered contour brush from Coastal Scents. To kind of lighten things up, I should have done this before, but oops. I'm going to take bubblegum, which is that matte pink here. I'm applying this in the inner crease over the burgundy, so I'm going to kind of merge the two together. I'm going to take my Urban Decay Foxy and apply that. I'm going to bring that pink up, the raspberry. Not adding any additional color for now. I'm just going to use what's on the brush and just merge them. Actually, I think I had bubblegum on that, so let me get a little more raspberry just to make sure it stays deep. I actually think I am going to cut my crease, so I'm going to take that Pebbley's base. Probably not enough. You'll see. Kind of bringing it out a little bit, as you can see. I need some more base. I ran out. I'm essentially winging it out because that's kind of what I'm going to do with my color that I'm putting on top. I'm going to go with a beautiful green shade. This is called Sour. Try not to look up too much so I don't crease my base. That color there. I'm just taking a flat brush for that. So being really careful around the edge. Really want to be precise. Go to the other side. Make sure we still record. Now I'm just making sure everything is precise. I'm going directly into the crease now with raspberry just to deepen it up and sharpen my crease. I'm taking a really tapered pointed brush. This is from Sigma, but if you have the MAC 219 or something similar to that, you could also take a darker color like a navy. That would be pretty. Even a black. I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm going to be really precise, getting as close to that line as possible. And I'm not even gonna blend it. With this type of brush, you shouldn't need to do that. Just use light strokes. Don't press the brush into your skin, and you should be able to do it. Going around the perimeter, lightly, being cautious not to touch that green. Like that. It just kind of deepens it up. You might not even notice the difference, but I do. Close. Okay. I think I'm going to do glitter, but I'm not going to do it at the top. I'm going to do it at the bottom. And I'm also going to grab color liner to use on the bottom because I don't want to use black at the bottom. So, yeah, I have an eyeliner here. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the color Overnight. And the night is in parentheses. It's just a blue. It's like a navy. It's not like royal blue or anything like that. I'm going to apply this kind of, I think I need more burgundy. Sorry, I just noticed that. That side's kind of darker than the other, so I want to make sure this one's dark too. Let me take the eyeliner now to kind of break up this color. Of course, I'm stopping the shadow in the corner. I'm going to waterline too. Actually, this is kind of like a cross between royal blue and navy, so it's not quite so dark, which is great because I didn't want it to be too dark. So that's what it looks like. You probably can't see up close, but it's like a darker royal blue. To set it, taking that same brush I used, no, I'm not. I'm taking a flat brush. I'm using the end of it, and I'm taking this color called Soaked, which is this royal blue in the palette. This one here. And I'm just gonna apply that on the outer, smudging it. I'm gonna close my eye because I don't want the powder in my eyes because it's not really eye safe. I'm gonna smudge that liner a little lower because it kind of doesn't budge. Once you apply it, twist it up some more, and I need it lower. Okay, that should be good. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm going to take something shimmery. This is super ancient MAC Crushed Metallic Pigment. I don't know what set this was from, but it basically came with 4 pigments. Well, I think this is the set. It's the Raindrop and Moss Garden. This is what they look like. They're really super high shine metallic. As far as the color, I think I'm going to use the darker one. You could wet them for higher intensity. That's probably what I'm going to do. I'm taking synthetic brush. I'm going to wet it with some all-nighter. Use Fix Plus water, even water. You just want to wet the brush, get it damp. And this is going in my inner corner. It's going to create like a glittery effect. Super metallic and high shine. I'm going to go in a lot. So that's what it looks like. That's so pretty. I like it a lot. Perfect birthday look. I'm not all surprised I'm not doing glitter, but I don't want to do glitter today. I'm not in the mood. It's rainy and, you know, it's already raining on my birthday, so it's like, I know it's not an excuse either, but I'm taking some eyeliner at the top. For that, I am using black. I'm gonna take the usual NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black. Same to the other side. I'm going to take some concealer to the bottom. That way I can go ahead and do lashes. ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Taking mascara, the Pure Fully Charged Light Up Mascara. It does light up, as you can see. I'm gonna put on lashes now. These are from Allure. They're the magnetic lashes, the Pro Magnetic Faux Mink Wispy lashes, but I'm not sure if I posted these before in a previous tutorial. I don't use the magnetic aspect. I still glue them on because I don't like magnetic. I just can't. So I'm gonna glue these on. Basically just touching up around. I think I covered up my lash band if I can remember correctly. I just don't like shine, as y'all know. So if I see anything shiny, oh no, it's gotta go. I think that's good enough. Let's move on to face. I have a liquid highlighter here. I'm not sure if this works better alone. This is Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow Highlighter in Fierce. Just not sure if it works best on top of foundation or mixed. Okay, so I think I'm gonna mix it. I've never used it before. I'm using also the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. Taking 1 pump of that, and then I'm mixing it with a pump or 2. Saw pump. A pump and a half of that. I'm just gonna mix it up with this Heavenly Face brush from Bare Minerals. Oh boy, it's a lot of glow. I'm excited. Let's see how it performs. So I'm just dotting it all over my face. And then I'm going back and blending it. Okay, it's the perfect amount of glow actually for the entire face. I'm glad it's not super over the top because you don't want extreme highlight all over the face. Well, you might, I don't know, I don't. Doing my forehead now. Moving my hairs out of the way. I'm going down here. This is actually a really pretty highlighter and it works great mixed with the foundation. And it's a little warmth and highlight. I'm going to use a highlighter now. This is Brunette Mineralized Skin Finish. This is like from the past. Sorry. I'm taking MAC 138. I've been loving this brush for highlighter lately. I just rediscovered it. I'm just taking quite a lot of this, honestly, until I can see it. If I can't see it, it's not enough. As you see, I'm really digging my brush in there. That's how I like my highlighter. And then a little red. So now I'm just taking only the lighter side. Now that it looks like blush and highlight, I'm taking a little blush, just a little. This is the Motives Empress Mineral Blush. Looks like that. This is some random brush. I really don't know what it is. It came in a subscription box some time ago. For lips, I'm taking this color from ColourPop, one of the nude lips from the Karuchi collection from some time ago. Unfortunately, I don't know what this is called. No, it's not K, because K is like the reddish one. So just take any nude you have. I know, surprised that I'm doing nude, right? And you can throw a gloss on top if you want. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I hope you guys enjoyed my Jawbreaker makeup tutorial, my birthday edition. This is the actual look I'm wearing on my birthday, as mentioned. But I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you guys would like to see any other palettes using this look, just let me know. There are plenty of options of different looks I could do, even neutral looks, because there are some neutral colors in here. And even with the colors, you can make those neutral as well. Please rate the video, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any new uploads. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.